Hello everyone. Please listen to a story titled An Unbelievable Memory. This story is about a remarkable leader who not only has a sharp mind and strong leadership, but also shows sincere care and respect for the people who protect him every day. It shows how small acts of attention and kindness can create deep loyalty and trust. Many people believe that a leader gains loyalty by giving high salaries, strong authority, or strict rules. But sometimes the strongest loyalty comes from something much simpler: genuine human care. This is the story of President Donald Trump and the members of the United States Secret Service who protect him every day. Every morning at the White House begins very early. Before sunrise, security teams are already working. Secret Service agents carefully check every hallway, every entrance, and every vehicle. Their duty is simple but serious: protect the President of the United States. Among the many agents assigned to protect President Trump were Agent Daniel Brooks, Agent Michael Carter, Agent David Lopez, and Agent Sarah Mitchell. Each of them had years of experience and had trained for thousands of hours. Their job required discipline, focus, and sometimes great personal sacrifice. Many of them spent long hours away from their families. One morning, as President Trump prepared to leave the White House for an important meeting, he stepped into the hallway where several agents were standing. President Trump was known for speaking confidently and remembering details about many people he met. But what happened next surprised the agents. Trump walked toward Agent Daniel Brooks and said with a friendly smile, "Daniel, how is your son Ethan doing with his baseball team this season? I remember you said he had a big game coming." Agent Brooks blinked in surprise. "Yes, Mr. President," he said quickly. "He has a game this weekend." Trump nodded. "That's great. I hope Ethan hits a home run." Agent Brooks could hardly believe it. 3 months earlier, he had casually mentioned his son during a short conversation. Now the president remembered his name. The president then turned toward Agent Sarah Mitchell. "Sarah," Trump said, "how is your daughter Olivia doing in her dance competition? Is she still practicing ballet every evening?" Agent Mitchell looked stunned. "Yes, Mr. President," she replied quietly. "She has a competition next month." Trump smiled. "Tell Olivia I wish her good luck." The agents looked at each other in disbelief. Then Trump turned to Agent Michael Carter. "Michael," he said, "your son Lucas was studying for a math test last week. Did he pass it?" Michael Carter stared for a moment. "Yes, Mr. President," he answered slowly. "He did very well." Trump nodded proudly. "That's fantastic. Hard work always pays off." Then Trump turned to another agent standing nearby. "David," he said, "how is your daughter Isabella doing in her swimming competition? I believe she has a tournament this Saturday." Agent David Lopez felt deeply surprised. "That's correct, Mr. President," he said. "She has been training very hard." Trump smiled warmly. "Please tell Isabella I'm cheering for her." The agents were amazed. After the president left the hallway, the agents quietly spoke to one another. Agent Brooks shook his head. "I told the president Ethan's name only once." Agent Mitchell added, "I mentioned Olivia during a short conversation weeks ago." Agent Carter said softly, "How does he remember all of this?" The Secret Service team protected many leaders during their careers, but this situation felt different. Later that day, the president returned from a meeting and once again greeted the agents. "Daniel," Trump said casually, "don't forget to tell Ethan that baseball requires patience, and Sarah." He continued, "Olivia should keep practicing every day." Then he added, "Michael, Lucas should continue studying mathematics. That will help him in the future." The agents were deeply moved. One evening, the agents gathered in their security room. Agent Lopez spoke first. "I have protected several important officials," he said, "but none of them ever remembered my children's names." Agent Mitchell nodded. Double quote, "Many leaders know our faces, but not our families." Agent Brooks looked thoughtful. "President Trump remembers not only our names," he said. "He remembers what matters most to us." The next morning, President Trump again passed through the hallway. He paused for a moment and looked at the team. "You all work very hard," he said. "You protect me every day." Then he added something that surprised them even more. "You sacrifice time with your families to do this job." The agents listened quietly. Trump continued, "The least I can do is remember the people who are most important to you." He paused and looked at them one by one. "Your children." The agents felt a deep sense of respect. Agent Carter spoke carefully. "Mr. President, we are honored to serve." Trump nodded. "I know you are." Then he smiled slightly. "And I know Lucas has another math test next week." The room filled with quiet laughter. But behind that laughter was something deeper. The agents understood that the president truly cared. He valued not only their professional duty, but also their families and personal lives. In leadership, people often believe that loyalty can be bought with money. But true loyalty is built through respect, trust, and genuine attention. President Trump showed that understanding. He knew that the agents protecting him were not just professionals. They were fathers. They were mothers. They were people with families waiting for them at home. By remembering their children's names, their schools, their sports, and their dreams, President Trump created something powerful: mutual respect. The agents protected his life with dedication, and he honored their sacrifices by remembering the most precious part of their lives, their children. That is why many of the agents felt proud to stand beside him every day, because true leadership is not only about power, it is also about heart. Thank you for watching and listening to the meaningful story, An Unbelievable Memory. We hope this story gives you a deeper view of a leader who combines both ability and compassion while leading and working to make America great again. We also hope that by listening to this interesting story, your English listening and speaking skills will continue to improve. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share to support our channel. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos soon.